Greetings from the TheWatchCloud. In this tutorial you will learn how to restock your inventory after 7 days. Let's dive in. Our endeavor is to keep the trade group updated with the latest and active posts so that the auto-matching function is up to date and users receive notifications for available watches only. Hence, all the product inventory will be available for 7 days in the trade group and its status would change automatically if no action is taken. In the Notification tab, you will be asked to either keep or delete the product. If you choose to keep the post, then this will allow the post to remain in group with auto-match notifications and other users can chat with you. If you choose to delete the post from the group or you don't take any action, then on the 7th day the post becomes unavailable for auto-match function and post will be marked as product was removed or sold by seller for selling post. The looking for post would be marked as buyer is no longer looking for the watch. All the deleted products will be showed in Delete Shop History and you can restock your watches anytime by clicking on Restock. That's it, all your product stock will now be available in My Shop inventory as well as the trade group with the updated date and time, and your products will be displayed at the top in the trade group. It's that simple. So go ahead and restock your product inventory and become an active member. That's all for now. Explore more by watching other how-to videos. Wish you happy trading.